so we're going to talk edge weapons. So here's my take on it, right? People will be like, have a different form of thought. People are like, oh, guns are really dangerous. It's not like, yeah, absolutely there. Know this, that a knife will never malfunction, will never run out of ammo, won't jam, like nothing. Like it's just going to keep working and working and working and working until you stop the motor. And the motor is the arm that's working, that's the motor, right? And personally, if you think about it, a knife attack, like anybody can get a knife right, you're gonna kitchen full of them, super easy. You got exacto knives, you got painting knives, you got box cutters, you got whatever, right? It takes a lot of, I'm gonna say my opinion, it takes a lot of nuts, sometimes not, but it takes a lot of nuts to go in and actually plunge something through somebody's body and then repeat that differently, right? Like I could be a coward and stand in the corner and just spray with a gun, right? That's what all the game makers do, right? They're just a bunch of losers and they're like, oh yeah, there's that. They don't even blow half the time, they just fire them, right? That's why I just like to take it all the time. But most of them don't have the balls. They come in with a knife and start jabbing the guy through that, right? You gotta have something wrong with theirs. So you gotta understand that like the mentality of somebody that's actually fighting with a knife is like they're really, really not right. Like there's something wrong with them, right? And again, I hear all the time, it's like, well, I'm in Canada, I don't need to worry about that. Okay, well, we had a prime example down there a little while ago that you do need this, right? Now it's not their fault that they got hurt, right? At all. Very populated boys did a great job and took them down faster because there was a lot more people that weren't sure that was his plan. Right? To take out his man was good. So I have to understand how the knife works, right? So the knife works on retraction, right? So as I'm retracting, that's what keeps working that knife from a stabbing position, right? There's like 100 different ways that this knife can be deployed. I'm gonna try to stick to like the basics because otherwise I really do it. And really it can be very, very unpredictable. Very unpredictable, right? So these are the ones that I'm showing you have been used by a lot of like special military teams that are still currently using them. Very sound stuff. Can things go wrong? Yes. Can anything go wrong in a fight? Yes. Right? Like when this comes out, the gamble is like, I'm not dealing with it unless there's no way. Right? Same with North Kingston. Alright? One thing that was brought up earlier, like if the knife is presented, right? I'm not taking a fighting stance because I'm not fighting the knife. Alright? Does that make sense to everybody? I hear people say, oh, I'm a knife fighter. I'm like, cool, what's your record? What's your record? For being a knife fighter. Like, probably not great, right? Hopefully 1 and a 0. Right? So, the reason why I say that is because as soon as I do this, I'm exposing my femoral, right? Which I've done live tissue training before, and it's like, it messes with your head. Like, I'll tell you that femoral bleed takes like 4 seconds and you're dead. Unless somebody's on you where you carry a tourniquet. If you're not slick with that tourniquet and can get it on, you're dead. And I'm telling you, I've seen it. I've seen it. Not on a human, thank God, but I've seen it, been done. And it's fucking stressful, man. Seeing that bleed actually happen. It's fast and furious. So what I can tell to you is like, you're not fighting the knife, right? I'm defending the knife. So this is the only time that I'm gonna take that squared approach. All right, I'm gonna square out my body and hollow it out. And like, I have an A-frame shooting stance when I shoot because I want my body armor forward, but I want to be like this where I have no armor. So that's why we shoot this way now. It's the same way with the knife, but I want to be here because I want to keep this back. Alright? My hand position is obviously, I don't want to expose out here, so I'm not fighting the knife, I'm defending the knife, so I turn my hands. Okay? So I want to present this part of my arm, because I can get cut here all day. Right? Not all day, right? But I can take this. Here I'm going to get dirt where all my veins are, so I'm going to bleed way faster, arterial bleeds, as opposed to just cuts. Know too that and what's the one thing that people are like, oh, you're not going to see the knife, you're going to feel the knife on me. Yeah, okay, you can feel it, but hopefully you see it. But, and they're like, oh, you will get stabbed. No, the goal is not to get stabbed. You'll get cut. I would say almost 100% you're going to get cut. So then blood comes into play, sweat comes into play, analogy of knife attacks will work because I've had to use one, but it was a different case scenario because what we're going to deal with is like an active attacker, right? So the knife comes there, is presented, I'm too close to disengage because as I back up, he's just going to come forward and then we're going to deal with it. Okay? So first thing first, we're going to deal with like the underhand stand. Again, I'm going to deal with commonality ones. So we're going to go underhand and overhand for now. All right. So I'm here. I see the knife. I'm going to follow out to block. All right. So this is kind of start number one. All right. Now obviously I can't go all day like this because he's just going to keep going and then changing the direction. Absolutely. Right. So what do I need to do is I got to stop the traffic. So we had adopted a one-on-one, so he comes in and I grab the back. All right. So the turn is the other side of the seat here. All right. Come in here. So I gotta stop the turn. I gotta stop the sewing machine, right? So it's this. Okay, everybody can see that? Once I do that, here, I'm gonna push the knife into him, okay? If I get him with it, sweet. I didn't stab him, right? I'm defending the knife, right? Here. Now I'm gonna start turning the corner, and I'm gonna move. I have a kind of a dirty 2-on-1 control, okay? I'm pushing it. This is where my hand, we're gonna come back to this so you can see, so yeah, not keep changing. So come on the right side. So once I push in here, right? I cannot give him space, right? Everybody understands that? Like as soon as I start working out, that's gonna give him, yes. Right, so I want to close space instantly with this. Here, boom, in, and now I start turning to the back, right? So now it's in front of me. I'm starting to go behind him. The elbow is in my sternum now, right? So he can't pull back. Now I can start going to work with my hands. So I'm gonna keep control. Come in here, here, and now I'm gonna go to round bar. All right. I know lots of steps, right? If you go fast, the hand maneuvers just get used to it the more that you do it. Alright? So hand here. It's literally that fast. Alright? And now I'm here. Everybody sees my back foot. This is the important part of the takedown. Alright? I just want you to get here and then we'll work with the takedown piece after. Okay? I'm not too worried about that. So here. Here, right? You might miss it on the first one. That's like, let's be realistic about this, but I want to try to get it right here. Some people say turn it this way and this, because it's not wrong, right? I'm not gonna tell you like, no, it has to be this way all the time. That's not how I roll. Like, if it works for you and you get it, cool. All right, this is the way that I've found is the most successful, right? Our teachers teach it this way. So here, push in. And the angle, so I keep that 2-on-1 control on the weapon bearing limb. And I come down to here. No, it's a knife, right? He's actively trying to kill me. So I wouldn't be just like, oh, here you go. Like I would be breaking the elbow, smashing the shoulder part, and then I'm gonna go down. All right, so let's just get to that part first. There should be enough knives in that duffel bag. And we're just gonna go do three, yeah.
Can I just ask you to switch sides so we can see? I couldn't see the control side.
For sure. Yeah, sorry, my apologies. So we're here. So I'm coming down, grab. Now I'm gonna push in, turn. So I have like kind of like a 2-on-1 here that I'm clasping, then I'm gonna bring it into me so this part stays in the sternum as I turn. So I can take my hand off the retraction piece to get the 2-on-1 hug bar, right? Not this. That's old school. I hate that. That's my piece. If anybody does it, like no disrespect, but I can't stand this. Right? Inside here, and then down. Right? A lot of pressure on this. Like a lot, realistically, like I'm breaking this. Right? And then I'm gonna work hopefully with after that. And like that's the thing, everything is straight. Right? Some old school guys, which I'm not. You can gamble would do, they would come in, go slow. That they would go here first and then come. The only thing is that like I'm really relying on that hit to the face of the corner, right? Old school Krav Maga, like yeah, that's what it is. It's not like old school Krav Maga is like down, and then I move out the line. Like that's what they teach, right? The only thing is it's a paramilitary combatant, right? Or a military combatant. So what they're doing is stepping outside, coming out, and then I'm drawing and killing you. Nobody's concealed carrying in Canada. I hope not. Don't come if you are. But the like, it's just not realistic, right? I'll tell you, if you get that money button, it works, and the block itself to the outside is good, as long as I understand my angles. Because that's what happened to me. I came through a doorway and I tried to run through, and I saw it luckily. But when I saw it, that was all it was, right? I was just kind of here coming through, whoa, and I gave me enough time for my partner to come through and be like, well, now you're from this, right? So it's a shitty situation. Luckily, he was drunk and it's probably like slow motion, right? Like, right?
But when I tell the story, he was like,
so, anyways, to make a light of a shitty situation, but like, that's probably what it is. So, here and here, the catch may not happen right off the hop, but I'm here, like, this is like hard strike, right? Like, hard straight arm on that 90-degree angle, like, boom. The Cali guys call it a bisecting line, right? But they use zero pressure, so they push to the outside and stuff. I'm not saying that's wrong at all. They're knife guys, right? But my main goal is I want to control the weapon bearing limb, 2-on-1, create an angle, and then get to a control point that I keep that motor doesn't work at all. All right. So moving inside. The best part too is when I'm pushing that knife into the body. If I actually like plunge it in, sweet. Yeah, allegedly, exactly. Yeah. I didn't do it, right? Like, it's fair. The best part too is like if I'm here, run over it, head or something. But here, he's like trying to retain it. Yeah, cool. Take it. Right? Like I just changed my hand position. Boom. Cool. Right? He was trying to pull back. I let him follow when he went. I didn't take the next round to the step. Right? So again, articulation. Right? Like hopefully that. Unless you're running with the wrong circle, like you ain't gonna deal with this too much. It's not gonna be a regular thing. But us that are on the front line doesn't make us better than anybody. I'm just saying, like, this is more what we have to deal with, unfortunately. Right? Everyone and their dog cares now. Women are the worst, actually, for it. We used to serve bags in bars, and like every girl had a different purse. Every single one. What are you doing with this? If anybody knows Kyle at SAS, he's like, man, I have like infinity going. I'm like, you're not selling it to the market. He's like, no, I'm not, but he's like, oh, that's not great. I'm like, yeah. So they're out there. They're out there a lot, right? I know guys that carry pieces of glass with like tape on them, and they tape them to the inside of things. We had a guy that had like these like holsters underneath his armpits, and he had like knives, and he's in town still. Like, I mean, like I've seen like sheets everywhere. Like it's insane, right? So again, I come in contact with them more. You guys probably are gonna get like no frills or farm boy and be like, oh yeah, there's a guy that has like it's not gonna happen, right? But never say never, because look what happened in the summertime, right? And that's like the one that made the news. That they consider there's a whole lot more stabbings that happened in town than they reported. Tons, and you see more than anything, right? Okay, cool. Does that make sense to everybody? I know I talked a lot about it, but this is like a scary subject, and it's like it's instantly like you don't want to be in second place. All right. Okay, cool. Practice. So 1-for-1 with your partner.